Kopi, si, siu dai. Ika. Do you guys want any drink? Hi everyone, I'm Mel and tomorrow is Chinese New Year. So today I'm going to take you to explore one of the oldest parts of the Singapore Chinatown known as Telok Ayer. Now Telok Ayer is the landing spot of all the Chinese immigrants that came here long time ago, and there are temples and shrines that they visit first when they land in Singapore. So let's go for a walk and discover the secrets of Telok Ayer. Let's go! So before we start on our walk, you know me, I'm hungry all the time. We are going to stop by at this Amoy Street Food Centre. It's famous for the rows upon rows of hawkers offering Singapore-style street food. So let's go. Okay, so I'm about to dig into this beautiful Singapore-style breakfast, consisting of this charcoal toasted bread with butter and kaya, which is a kind of a coconut milk and pandan jam, and also some soft-boiled eggs and a delicious, rich and thick dark coffee. Now, what is a typical Singapore breakfast? This is a typical Singapore breakfast, but then you could also say nasi lemak is a Singapore breakfast, lontong is a Singapore breakfast, thosai and prata is a Singapore breakfast. So that's the great thing about Singapore. We have a diverse bunch of people, from the native Malays to the Chinese and the Indians, as well as the Eurasians. So let's dig in and bon appetit. Nice and strong, just the way I like it. And right now I'm in the temple called Thian Keng Temple, one of the oldest Chinese temples in Singapore. It is an architectural masterpiece of stone, wood, tiles filled with intricate sculptures of dragons and phoenixes. Let's explore this place. And you know what? This temple was built and assembled without the use of a single nail. Look, Ma, no nails. Okay, the moment you step into this temple, you feel a deep sense of peace and calm. And I guess many devotees come here to have a deep connection with their ancestors. Today, Telok Ayer has transformed itself into a bustling district of Chinatown. It is filled with restaurants, cafes and bars and boutiques such as Perk by Kate. Let's go shopping. We are here at another pit stop, a stone's throw away from Telok Ayer. We are at the Epigram Bookstore, where they specialize in selling books written by Singaporeans about Singapore and published by Singaporeans. You can browse all these books while sipping on a delicious cup of coffee. I hope you enjoyed that little tour to Telok Ayer and Chinatown. I want to wish you a Gong Si Fa Chai and Xin Yan Kuai Le. Bye bye. Hi, I'm Mel, and today what are we doing today? Telok Ayer Street, Chinatown, Chinese New Year, COVID. Yeah. Okay, wait, start again. Today, Telok Ayer Street has some. Again, rewind. Right, Hari Raya open house.